In this video, we will cover all the basics of BharatPe speaker. We will cover what BharatPe speaker is and why it is useful to merchants. How the speaker looks in its new form. What the price of the speaker is. The selling process and app screens. And what you can earn by selling speakers. So, let's dive straight into it. Currently, merchants can track transactions through the BharatPe merchant app. But in real-life situations this might not always be possible as the shop may be too crowded or noisy. The merchant or helper might not be able to read or write. The app might be with the owner but the store is handled by the manager. The merchant might not have a smartphone. Or the merchant might want the customers to have an instant confirmation without checking the app. Through BharatPe speaker they can get an instant confirmation of their transaction in 10 languages.
Received on BharatPe. BharatPe पर प्राप्त हुआ.
భారత్పేயில் పెరపట్టదు.
భారత్పేలో స్వీకరించబడింది.
ಭಾರತ್ಪೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
భారత్పేயில் లభించు.
You can see here the BharatPe speaker in its ready-to-use form. Through these buttons, the merchant can operate the speaker. The speakers come with an Airtel SIM card already inserted. The sound from the speaker comes from its top. It is important to note that the merchant can use either the old QR or the new QR, which comes along with the speaker in the box. The new QR will be auto-mapped to the merchant and will be of the same size as any regular QR. Now, for the pricing details. The speaker has a one-time setup fee of Rs 499 plus GST. However, if the merchant is a BharatPe club member who has not opted for the free cricket goodies, or has an active loan running with BharatPe, this one-time setup fee will be waived off. Apart from this, the merchant is charged a monthly rental of Rs 125 inclusive of GST. However, if the merchant accepts 50 payments on their BharatPe QR from unique customers, the Rs 125 is given back as cashback every month. Please note that this is an introductory offer and you must take full advantage of it now, as the offer might be rolled back after a few months. The merchant is also eligible for a free lifetime replacement in case there is something wrong with their existing machine. Additionally, club merchants who did not avail cricket goodies and active loan merchants can also return the machine for free. However, other merchants have to pay Rs 250 to permanently return the machine. Let's go through the process of selling a speaker now. After starting the Bharat speaker lead task on the FOS app, please ask the merchant to click on the speaker icon in the merchant app. Regular merchants will see Rs 499 as the price, but club and active loan merchants who are eligible for the waiver will see Rs 0. The merchant must then complete the address addition step. There can be 3 scenarios after adding the address. 1. The speaker is available for delivery at the given address. 2. The particular address and PIN code are not serviceable. Or 3. The speaker has been sold out across India and the merchant is waitlisted. Waitlisted merchants will be given the first preference and a notification when a new batch of speakers arrive. The merchant is then led to the payment page. There are multiple options such as credit or debit cards, UPI or BharatPe investment account to make the payment. After successful payment, the merchant has an option to chat or further connect to a call center agent for any queries. The delivery status of the speaker is continuously updated on this screen. And that's it, the work of the FSE is done. The delivery part is completely outsourced to our delivery partner and no further action is needed from the FSE. Post-delivery and activation, the merchant has the option to change speaker language, view invoices, or opt to return the speaker or get it replaced. Let's look at the replacement flow at this point. They can choose the reason for replacement, and post that, view the status of the replacement request, and simultaneously view the payments made and invoices. The return flow is similar to the replacement flow. However, merchants who were not eligible for the one-time setup fee waiver have to make a payment of Rs 250. Post that, the status of the return request can be tracked through the app. Now that you know why and how to sell the speaker, let's address an important question. What is in it for you in terms of earnings? For every speaker sold to a merchant, you will earn Rs 100. Apart from this, remember that during every onboarding or revisit in which you sell a speaker, that task will be considered as active, irrespective of the transaction count. Additionally, there are some exciting monthly contests lined up for you. The top 400 field sales executives in the proportion of the regional split given here will earn an extra Rs 1,000. And the top 50 team leads will earn an extra Rs 2,000. So how does this all add up for you? Assume you sell 50 speakers along with OB and RV tasks in a month. You will earn 10 to 12,000 as per your regional rate cards for 50 active tasks, plus 5,000 Rs extra as speaker sales incentive. You can earn an additional Rs 1,000 if you qualify in the contest, and a further Rs 4,500 for crossing 30 plus cross sells overall. Therefore, you can potentially earn somewhere between 20,000 to 22,000 Rs in a month by selling speakers diligently. And that's the entire video. Happy selling and contact your TM or ASM for any query.